Pip the Bunny. Fast feet, bright eyes, and a big hurry.
I want fun right now! Carrot cake already?
The oven still hummed softly. Pip opened the oven too fast.
Oh, it's gooey. Waiting takes forever.
Pip sighed and sat still. Pip took a deep breath.
I can wait.
Waiting made it better.
So good.
I waited! Yay, it's perfect! Time to taste.
Good things grow with patience.
I can wait again.
Today, Pip learned that waiting can be hard but worth it.
Patience helps good things grow. Hey you! Yes, you watch me. Remember, be patient. Good things take time. Bye-bye. See you next time.